Lovely people. So we have been on the same touristic path. One major attraction around here is O'Brien's General Store. So this used to be the general store. Hold on a second. There you go. This used to be the general store from back in the days when the mines were first operating. And now it's kind of turned to a museum, and it has 2 stories. The main level is where you have the general store stuff, and the upper story is the owners. The owners used to live upstairs, and it has been made to look like back in the time. So that would be your typical general store. And it does really smell of old here. So this is Marie-Françoise, and she just showed me how this thing works.
Yeah, it's big. It's really not complicated at all. You just have to show the total. You cannot calculate on it. So example, that's the vendor. So that's the cashier number, and then you put the whole total. Example, the biggest number you can put is 99.99. So you push the button, and then you take that here, you push over there, and then you turn, and then it opens.
And then ka-ching!
Ka-ching!
Show me the money!
Yeah. And then usually that was the biggest price you could buy here.
Yep.
Like stuff used to be like $2, $3.
Yes.
So yeah, 99 and 99, that's a big.
So basically no one needed to have bigger numbers. This is why the machine is limited at $9.99.
Exactly. Yeah.
Can we go back to these times?
That was nice.
Yeah.
It wasn't that pricey.
So is this a coffee brewing machine?
Yeah, exactly. So you put the coffee beans here and you like ground them.
Yep.
And what's the fun fact about this is that you put in the light.
Oh, you literally plug it inside the lamp socket.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's quite a nice invention instead of having a wall plug.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, there we have it. Hey, Marie-Françoise.
Thank you.
Thank you. And this is how their house used to look like. And on to our last landmark before heading back and calling it a day. Today is gonna be an observation point of a very old mine. Black Lake Street, and basically we're gonna be heading to the watch point of the Black Lake mine, which I think has been flooded with water ever since it was decommissioned. Anyway, let's discover it together. Oh my God. Take a look at that. So this is the old BC mine extraction pit. This is beautiful, and you can see the different layers of the excavations. That was worth it. The scale of this thing is massive. It's truly massive. It's the first time. It's not the biggest in the area, but it truly is massive. Look at that. Now that's a wow for me. So the thing is, it has not been flooded with water. They simply ceased to pump the water since it ceased operations. So it ended up filling in. And again, it's because they were mining asbestos, in French it's amiante, and this has been banned because due to its cancer-causing problems, and it still is a private property of the Asbestos Limited Society, which is the company that used to mine for it, and it's called Asbestos Limited. That concludes it for today. I shall be heading back and resting in preparation for tomorrow. Tomorrow, basically, I'm gonna be somewhere there if the weather allows me to. It has been pouring rain today. I don't know how muddy it's gonna be, so I'm gonna have to check the conditions of the trail tomorrow, and if not, well, I'll adapt and maybe head very early to Quebec City. Otherwise, I'm going for a hike, enjoy the hike, and from there head to Quebec City. We'll see how things turn out to be tomorrow. As for today, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope I'm able to bring you both the vibe, the feeling of the place, and I hope you're enjoying as much as I am. Again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.